She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes mysterious. Once you get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video, and today we're doing another installation on another carbon fiber hood. However, this carbon fiber hood is different. It's not like the rest. This carbon fiber hood has a different design. Only 2 people in the USA have this hood on their Corolla. Me and my homie Error Builds. You can follow him on Instagram at Error Builds. Huge shout out to Error Builds. He's the homie. He's actually the one who got me and linked with Craft C Performance, who actually manufactured this hood. Huge shout out to Error Builds for not gatekeeping this hood. Now the rest of you guys can have this hood. So this hood does fit the GR Corolla and the regular Corolla hatchback and sedan. So this is a different style hood. The reason why I opted out for this hood, just because of the design. The design has a more curved look to it. I like how the fins are faced at a 45-degree angle and not flat. So this has a more sporty look. They kind of look like fish scales, if you guys know what fish scales look. It kind of looks like that, which looks super dope. It looks super sporty. The reason why I'm digging this hood so much is because only 2 people have this hood in the USA. And it feels good when not a lot of people have it. Yeah, the previous hood I have is so dope, but honestly, if a Corolla has a carbon fiber hood, it's going to be the VIS or Sedan hood, and it's the same design. And I kind of like to be different. You guys seen my previous car, I just like to be different.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
If you guys are tired of that VIS Sedan design, this design is the way to go. One big up I would give on Craft C Performance, because the way they shipped it, they made sure that it was not going to break. This hood comes from overseas, so you need to make sure that you're buying from a place that takes care of their hood, who actually takes care of their product, and just shipping it just to ship it. This company does actually care about you, care about the hood, and will make sure it's shipped out safe. Once you open the box, it's layered in 3 layers. It's layered in like a soft plastic, so it won't scratch the hood. It's layered in a bubble wrap with mini bubbles, and then it's layered in another bubble wrap with the big bubbles. So this hood is definitely protected, and it will get to your home safely. So it did take 2 months to get this hood. That's the only downside, that this hood is made to order. The reason why I did choose it, even though I had to wait 2 months, the VIS Racing hood can take up to a month to 2 months. The VIS Racing hood is $1,700. That's before taxes and shipping. That's not even including that. And then the Sedan hood is $1,200 before taxes and shipping. This is $1,150 with taxes and shipping included. So wherever you're at, they'll ship it to you for that price. So the way you order it, they do have a website, but me personally, I like to be personal with the people I like to order my stuff. So you can DM them at Craft C Performance. I'll put a link down in the description for their Instagram and their website. I'm not going to do an installation video. I'm just going to do a quick time lapse. I've done plenty of installation videos on hoods. So if you guys want to install this on your E210 Corolla, the regular hatch or sedan, the link will be down there. And if you want to install it on your GR Corolla, I have a separate video for the GR Corolla as well. So I'm not going to do another installation video. It's just going to be a time lapse and just a review of the product. So here's a little close-up of the fins. As you can see, it's more at a 45-degree angle, and it's more circular. Unlike the VIS Sedan hood, it's more flat. So this gives it more of that sporty look. That's also the difference. And honestly, this hood is definitely lighter than the VIS and Sedan hood. I honestly do feel the weight difference. It's not that much of a difference, but it is a difference where I can definitely notice, because I've installed the VIS hood many times, not only on my car, on a lot of my viewers' cars as well, and just carrying it, this felt lighter. Either I got stronger, or this is definitely lighter. Now moving on to the underside of the hood. So a big difference in quality. So the VIS Sedan hood has a cheap vent cover. This is very premium. I think this is like fiberglass, so it's really light, and it just looks good. The other two hoods just have like a crappy little cardboard cover. It's no good. I'm gonna opt out on putting this on. I'm gonna take it off and just save these bolts. So I hope you guys like this design, and hope you guys like that B-roll. So without further ado, let's get right into the installation. Alright, so now we just have to remove the vent cover, because I do want it to be functional. If you don't want water going in your engine bay, in case you have an open air intake, you do want to leave that on, but there's no point of getting a vented hood if it's not functional. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So now you got to take off these 4 Allen bolts just to adjust this hood latch. So you just grab your hood latch from your old OEM hood. Mine's a carbon hood, it's the same thing. You just loosen these nuts.
These nuts? Got him! Got him!
And just match it up and make sure it's the same height. Alright guys, so to end the video off, I just want to give a huge shout out to Julio, who did ceramic coat my carbon hood. We did use King of Carbon Fiber ceramic coating. This ceramic coating is so amazing and so affordable. I will definitely put a link down in the description for that. So make sure when you are ceramic coating your products, make sure you go ahead and buy King of Carbon Fiber. Don't forget to use my discount code also, so you guys can get a discount on that. So Julio did an amazing job on my hood. He paint corrected it because it had a couple scratches, a couple swirl marks, and he also did polish it, and then he went on to ceramic coat it. He did an amazing job. So if you guys are out here in Temecula area, Menifee, Fallbrook, Murrieta area, he does do mobile detailing, and he has the lowest prices around with the amazing job. I don't trust a lot of people on my car, but Julio definitely got down with my hood, and he did an amazing job. He does full ceramic coats on vehicles any size, anywhere from 40 miles away from Temecula in the IE area. So if you guys are interested, his Instagram is elegance_mobile_detail. I promise you guys, he has the lowest price around town, and he will get your vehicle right. I 100% trust him on my GR, so go ahead and have full confidence on my boy Julio. He's such a hard worker, and he does have a flexible schedule, so go ahead and hit him up on Instagram and get all your details needs done with my boy Julio. Thanks Julio once again. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get on the B-roll with the hood on the car. Thank you guys for watching the video. Catch you guys next time.